Until now, if you wanted a new front door, you had two choices. 1. Settle for one of the cookie-cutter options that happen to be in stock at your local home improvement store. Or 2. Place a custom order and enter the chaos of configuration. Spending countless hours trying to mix and match compatible components, compare options, track down pricing, and fill out complicated order forms, followed by 4 to 8 weeks of waiting for your door to arrive, and then crossing your fingers it's not damaged. If it is, start the clock over. Why does it have to be so complicated? Advisar said, let's make it simple to get a beautiful custom order door, designed, built, and installed in just days. So you never have to sacrifice style for speed and convenience. With Advisar, now you can get your door style with your choice of glass, finished in your paint or stain color, inside and out, complete with your choice of hardware and options, and packed with high-end details you won't find on stock doors. Go ahead, make the neighbors jealous. Get the stunning new front door you've always wanted in a fraction of the time of a traditional custom order door system. For a free consultation with a friendly Advisar Pro, go to advisar.com to request a quote today.